Here is the Gaurav Chaudhary with me. How are you?
आपका हाथ इतना हिल क्यों रहा है? कैमरा स्टेबलाइज नहीं है?
आपको देख के वो गूज़बम्स मिल रहा है. So how are you, Samsung members? Yeah. Here is the Gaurav Chaudhary with me. How are you?
आपका हाथ इतना हिल क्यों रहा है? कैमरा स्टेबलाइज नहीं है?
आपको देख के वो गूज़बम्स मिल रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, टेंशन की बात है दोस्तों. अगर आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो ऐसी ही वीडियोस देखते रहिए, पसंद करते रहिए. करण काफी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. और चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. आगे देखते हैं करण ने आपको क्या दिखाया इस वीडियो में. मालूम नहीं है बाय द वे, बट जो भी है चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Hey, there is friends. There is my friend Prabjit, and here's my another friend Ashutosh. And yeah, we have been given tasks and all.
Doing many activities.
Yeah,
And all is secret.
yeah, we've been assigned some props and given 2 devices each. First there were 1. Yeah, our team leader Dhruv is trying to coordinate some creative content. We'll surely try to display them, and you will be able to see them on Instagram as well. And yeah, we have been given a lot of props like water, sand and all, and to show the capabilities of the device itself. Yeah, and here are my other friends as well. Say hi guys. Hi. So yeah, so as you guys can see, Samsung brand ambassador community and Samsung members itself is a family in itself. So yeah, look forward to seeing you. Look at the view from here, guys. We are at the top level at the launch of the Oberoi, and you guys can see here the view is exceptional. So guys, we are actually shooting our specifically unboxing videos that as brand ambassadors we have to create. And yeah, I have 2 friends as well who are helping me and shooting me. So this is the behind the scenes of the unboxing video that I'm going to upload. So here is our conference room. Here are my 2 friends. He is Akshay and he is Dhruv. And here is our equipment. Hey guys. I think Dhruv is busy here. And these are the goodies we have got, which you have seen already, I think. Hey Dhruv.
Hi.
So yeah, you will be seeing this video soon. And yeah. Hello guys, and as you guys can see, I'm back at my home. This is my room actually, and yeah, I'm back from the Samsung event. Today I got an opportunity to record exclusive unboxing of the Galaxy M31 device. You will be seeing that video soon. And yeah, the best part of the day was for me meeting Gaurav Chaudhary, the technical Guruji himself, because since childhood I have grown up seeing his channel and learned a lot from him, and thanks to him for introduction of this video. And yeah, this day won't forget for I won't forget for my entire life. I think this was very special, and thank you guys. Stay tuned for more content, and share, like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you again for more content coming soon.